Hi there, this is CISA domain 1 and we're going to look at sampling today. So there's a question on audit sampling types which you have to identify which is the right one for the requirement. Okay, all the best. So here's the question as always. The internal IS audit team is auditing sales returns using sampling techniques and is concerned about fraud. Which of the following sampling methods would be most appropriate? Stop or go, discovery, classical variable, or probability proportionate to size. Which one would you choose? I'll give you about 10 seconds for your choice and then we'll go to the right answer. I hope you got it right. Let's look at the options again. Let's reread the question as always. So here's the question once more. The IS audit team is auditing the sales returns using sampling techniques and it's very concerned about identifying fraud. So which of the following sampling methods should be used? Stop or go, discovery, classical variable, or probably proportional to size. Classical variable is not to be used, nor stop or go, as also probability proportional to size. Discovery is the correct answer. And let us see why it's the correct answer. Is discovery sampling the right answer? It's exactly designed for this situation. Discovery sampling means you are typically expecting very few or zero occurrences. You also need high confidence that if a fraud exists, you will definitely find it as the auditor. It is also the method that ISACA is expecting you to identify especially when it says tolerance for deviation is next to zero or close to zero. In the case of fraud, you have to look at this option as one of the best options for you. 90% of the time, this will be the right answer. And why are the others wrong? Well, stop or go is used for reducing the sample size in control testing, and it's not appropriate for fraud typically, especially when the risk is high. Classical variable, on the other hand, is used for monetary valuation or estimation, and it is not for spotting irregularities. Again, this is the wrong option. And PPS sampling, it detects overstatements and is size weighted, and hence it is again not relevant for fraud. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the forthcoming videos. Follow me for more content. Follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. Thank you.